Sagolban MLA R.K. Imu has submitted a representation to the Union Home Minister seeking swift and time-bound probe by National Investigation Agency into the killings at Tronglaobi in Bishnupur district. In his letter, the MLA urged for stringent action against those responsible, including comprehensive crackdown on terror outfits, stating that timely justice is essential to restore public confidence and uphold rule of law. He also highlighted challenges in conducting an accurate census in Manipur amid ongoing conflict, with many displaced persons still residing in relief camps, and suggested that the exercise may be carried out only after proper rehabilitation. Further, the MLA called for important pre-census electoral reforms, including completion of National Register of Citizens (NRC), identification and removal of illegal immigrants and bogus voters, and rectification of anomalies in electoral rules before delimitation. He stressed the need to verify fake Aadhaar cards prior to linking them with voter IDs, citing earlier detection of around 65,000 fake Aadhaar cards in the state. Additionally, R.K. Imu urged for constitutional protection of 40 Valley Assembly seats to safeguard rights and representation of indigenous people, emphasizing that these measures are crucial for ensuring fairness, stability and integrity ahead of census process.